Good afternoon, everybody, and I want to thank you all for participating in our team building event in Jacksonville, Florida. It was a great event, and we had some great speakers. Jason Wade from our OCC in Atlanta was down here to speak with us about customer service for 2015, our service recovery. He offered a great presentation. And in addition to that, we've had our local community police officer talking to us about safety in our work environment. We had some great team building exercises, and I just want to say thank you so much for everything that you do to take care of our customers and to take care of each other. I am really looking forward to doing this again next year. It was a great team building event. Thank you all.
Jacksonville's an amazing station, and they do an amazing job each and every day. From an OCC's perspective, we wanted to just take a moment and just thank them for everything that they do. They're such an amazing team, and we look forward to working with them in 2015.
He was very engaging, he was very entertaining. He never once made my mind wander, which is pretty impressive.
I believe that Siobhan will actually do this again next year, and I really feel that it actually turned out pretty good, where all of them are actually having fun and being able to enjoy outside work.
I really think that it's a great thing because not only am I involved in understanding the importance of teamwork, it brings everyone else into focus as well. That's what I love about the event.